Chernobyl dramatizes the story of 1986 accident at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant in Ukraine, Soviet Union, near the city of Pripyat. It was one of the worst man-made catastrophes in history and was an unimaginable disaster. The accident occurred during a safety test in reactor 4. During a planned decrease of reactor power in preparation for the test, the power output unexpectedly dropped to near zero. The operators were unable to restore the power level specified by the test program, which put the reactor in an unstable condition. But still the operators proceeded with the test. After the completion of the test, the operators triggered a reactor shutdown, but because of negligence, the reactor exploded. Instead of shutting down, an uncontrolled nuclear chain reaction began, releasing enormous amounts of energy. The core melted down and two or more explosions ruptured the reactor core and destroyed the reactor building. This was immediately followed by an open-air reactor core fire. It released considerable radioactive airborne contamination for 9 days. The core was burning at 2000 degrees. The wind was carrying all that smoke and radiation. 5,000 tons of sand and boron were required to put out the fire. Every atom of uranium is like a bullet, penetrating everything in its path, like metal, concrete, flesh, etc. Chernobyl held 3 trillions of these bullets. Some of them will not stop firing over 50,000 years. This was an incident that was never occurred in this planet before. Plant workers and firefighters put their lives on the line to control the disaster. 49,000 people were evacuated from the area. The reactor explosion killed 2 engineers and severely burned 2 more. 134 station staffs and firemen were hospitalized with acute radiation syndrome due to absorbing high doses of ionizing radiation. All the wild and domestic animals were contaminated. They were destroyed and shot one by one. Forests were evacuated and the top layer of the forest were ripped off. After the contamination, babies in the womb of the mother absorbed the radiation and died. Children in the womb have to be died to save their mothers. Ionizing radiation takes the cellular structure apart, skin blisters, turns red, then black. The immediate effects looks under control. Patient shows immediate recovering, but they are not. Bone marrow dies, immune system fails, arteries and veins spill open, unimaginable pain occurred. Within 2 or 3 days you are died. So this was the story in brief. I hope you enjoyed. You can watch it in Hotstar.